Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's near and dear to all of us: house duties cleaning. You know, it's not just about keeping your home tidy and organized. It's also about creating a space that's welcoming, comfortable, and conducive to your daily routine. And let's be honest, sometimes it can be a bit of a chore. But don't worry, we've got some tips and tricks to make it a little easier. First things first, make a schedule. It's important to set aside time each week to tackle the cleaning. This way, it won't feel like such a daunting task. Next, break it down into smaller tasks. Cleaning the whole house can seem overwhelming, but if you divide it into manageable chunks, it'll be much easier to handle. Don't forget to use the right tools for the job. A cleaner, a mop, a vacuum, and a duster can make all the difference. And don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. A helping hand can make the job go much faster. Finally, remember to reward yourself for a job well done. Treat yourself to a cup of tea, a good book, or a relaxing bath. You deserve it. So there you have it, folks. Our top tips for making house duties cleaning a little easier. We hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.